You're not videotaping me.
Guess what we got going on now? We're going to do the laundry.
Why are you videotaping me?
Yeah, because you're going to do the laundry.
No,
Let's
I'm
go. Guess where we're going? Going to do laundry. Laundry time. Now, I did laundry. You're walking too fast. Why are you walking so fast? He's like, come chasing me.
I'm not chasing you.
We're going to do laundry on the Queen Mary 2.
Shh.
Let's hope we have some washers available. This is my second time ever doing laundry on a cruise ship. And we only have one available. Only one's available.
No, do the other one instead then.
Alright, so we're going to put the laundry in. I think we could squeeze it all in there.
No, I don't want all the dark
Okay.
clothes. I don't want all the dark clothes with everything else. It's
Alright.
all of our dark clothes.
Oh, right here, these are the laundry. These are called eco sheets. And again, this is the second time I've ever done laundry on a cruise ship. The first time was on this ship. I did it by myself. This time Andrea's come along to video it. Put the eco thing in, lock that, make sure it's secure. And then we just hit this button right here where it says start. Well, we can actually program this.
Program?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You could, this is a quick wash. Start. That's it.
Quick washes. 52 minutes.
52 minutes.
Alright, we'll be back.
All right.